See, my mutton gravy is ready. Everyone come and have it with me. My friends, see, after cool it become thick. My gravy is ready. मेरा पास थोड़ा बैटर बचा है, इडली का बैटर. ये देखिए, चटनी नहीं होना, don't become paste, crush also. It should be proper round. Okay, when we are boiling to cooker, only give 4 whistles, enough. Little salt, oil and turmeric powder. Okay. Boiling after cool, I took 100 grams white mutter. I'm going to add coriander leaf, half tomato, half onion, and little ginger garlic. And then I'm going to only crush, not paste. Okay? See, I grind it this position. Enough. Okay? Now I'm going to cook the mutter gravy. Hello friends. I add little oil. See, only 10 gram oil. See, Western country, Asian country or not taking off this masala whole. If take our body, bad bacteria will be killed. So protect the cancer. Half onion and half tomato masala. Any masala, chili powder you can keep slow. Then I'm going to add this paste. See, it's fry properly with medium flame. Then only onion, tomato, raw smell has been gone. Going to add a little homemade coriander leaf powder. Okay. If you have, you can add compulsory amchur powder. Then chaat masala also. I don't have nothing. Now I'm going to add this one, boiled mutton. I'm going to add. Okay. I need to dry again 15 minutes. This my children brought from China. So you can get in mall also, new company, mushroom powder. This is vegetarian. I add little. This is already salted also. This is option, okay? No, not need compulsory. Need liquid because I'm going to eat the dosa chapati, okay? See, my mutton gravy is ready. Everyone come and have it with me. You can eat chapati, is very matching. Chapati, paratha. Hi friends. My gravy is ready. No oil, no masala much. Patani gravy. देखिए, मैंने थोड़ा से बचा वाला इडली जीरा पाउडर और सॉल्ट मिला के रख दिया रात को. अभी उसका लिए मैं काट तोड़ से बना रही है. आज ग्रीन चटनी से खाएगा. एकदम पतला सा, वेरी थिन डोसा. ओके.